Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up TnetVPN on your Android device. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in a location of your choosing, which can enhance your online privacy and security, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Let's get started. First, we'll need to download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Here's how. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for TnetVPN in the search bar, install the app, tap Install to download and install the application. Be sure to verify the app name and developer to avoid installing a fake app. Once the app is installed, we'll need to update its resources to ensure we have the latest server information. Follow these steps. Open TnetVPN, launch the application after installation, tap Update, look for an update button and tap it to proceed, select Online Update. Choose the Online Update option to retrieve the latest data from the server. Wait for the update. Allow the update process to complete. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. Now that the app is updated, we'll need to select a server to connect to. Tap Server. Tap the Server option to choose your preferred server. Select a server. Choose Auto Server to have the app automatically select the best server for your location, or select UDP1 as an alternative option. Next, we'll choose our preferred connection method. Tap Connection Method. Tap the Connection Method option to choose the protocol used for the VPN connection. Select a connection method. Select either UDP or UDP Hysteria. UDP Hysteria can offer improved performance in some network conditions. Experiment with both options to determine which works best for you. Finally, we're ready to establish the VPN connection. Tap Start, locate the Start button and tap it to initiate the VPN connection. Wait for connection. Allow the app to connect to the VPN server. A notification or icon in your status bar will indicate that the VPN connection is active. Troubleshooting tips. Connection issues. If you encounter connection problems, try selecting a different server or connection method. Slow speeds. If you experience slow speeds, try a server closer to your physical location or experiment with different connection methods. Configuration issues. If you are unable to get a connection, try ensuring the app is up to date. And that's it. You have successfully set up TnetVPN on your Android device. You can now enjoy a more secure and private internet connection. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, please leave a comment below.